All systems nominal.
Assessment complete. The subject is healthy and stable. We will proceed with the transfer.
Based on the coloration and scale count, the specimen is entering full maturity. The skin health is perfect.
Scan complete. Data matches CITES documentation.
CITES verification complete. Status approved. Clear for transport.
right, this batch looks good. The scales are uniform, and the thickness is within tolerance. Approved for shipment.
Checking dorsal scales. Blemish noted. This sheet is a grade 2. The thickness is precise and the scales are uniform. This lot is confirmed as grade 1. Recording the data now.
Thickness is within tolerance, but the coloration is slightly off spec. Designate as grade 2.
Measurement confirms the irregularity here at the lateral edge. This lot is non-compliant.
CITES certified, export approved. Seal verified. Cleared for departure.
See how the light catches the uniformity of the pattern. That's what we aim for. However, this die lot shows slight variation here.
The automated system ensures perfect consistency across all hides, minimizing waste.
Section clear. The cut precision is within tolerance. Ready for the next piece.
We use a saddle stitch here for maximum durability. It involves passing the needle through the pre-punched holes and pulling the wax thread taut.
The tension needs to be exact here. We are matching the grain on the python hide perfectly before the final pass.
Let's examine this seam closely. The tension is nearly perfect. A fine piece of work.
The clasp is set. Now for the buckle. We use the tool to ensure the hardware is flush with the leather.
The machine ensures the clasp is set perfectly flush with the python skin, guaranteeing a secure and durable attachment.
First, we smooth the edge with the electric sander, then apply the black paint carefully with the roller stylus.
We apply steady pressure to achieve the high gloss finish and smooth the scales.
The grain of the python hide must match perfectly. Once the seam is set, we use the bone folder to crease it firmly. We use a heavy gauge thread for the python hide, ensuring the seams are perfectly aligned and durable. You have to ensure the alignment is perfect before pressing down. Listen for the soft snap, confirming the fit. We use the bone folder to set the crease precisely. Then, tapping the seam with the mallet ensures a perfect fit and sharp edge. The creasing tool refines the wallet edges, creating that distinct line along the python hide. This requires precision and a steady hand.
We apply a thin, controlled bead along the edge. The key is consistency, especially around the corners.
We apply firm, even pressure with the burnisher, making sure to round the edges smoothly. This gives the python hide a polished finish.
The alignment on these scales is near perfect. Stitching is solid. It's good work. This passes.
All right, the next step is aligning the python hide. Make sure the grain flows in the same direction.
Stitching python requires a focused approach. We maintain a steady rhythm, ensuring every scale is captured cleanly by the needle. Aligning the buckle precisely before tapping the rivets. Ensure the leather is seated correctly before tightening the screws. Once the lining is inserted, I carefully smooth the suede against the python hide to ensure a precise fit in the corners.
We have to make sure the lining is perfectly smooth against the scales before we secure the edges. Precision is key here.
We start with the motorized sander for a precise edge. Then the buffing wheel provides the final finish. Meticulous detail is key here.
This final buffing stage is critical. We use a high-speed wheel to really bring out the natural gloss of the python scales, especially around the hardware here.
The scales are matched well. But this stitch here, it's slightly off. We can't let that pass final inspection.
Beautiful. เป็นแนวเขาหน้าไม่หาหน้าไม่ออกแบบนี้นะ